Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: natural remedies for the common cold and flu. We all know how annoying and uncomfortable these illnesses can be, so why not explore some effective home remedies? Throughout this video, we will introduce you to some fantastic natural remedies that can alleviate symptoms and help you recover faster. So let's get started. First, let's talk about an age-old remedy for cold and flu: ginger. Ginger not only adds a delightful flavor to your dishes, but it also has powerful health benefits. It contains gingerol, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. To make ginger tea, simply peel and slice a small amount of ginger root, then add it to boiling water. Let it steep for a few minutes, strain, and enjoy. Ginger tea helps soothe sore throat, reduces congestion, and aids digestion. Next up, we have another incredible natural remedy: honey. Honey has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It has antimicrobial and soothing effects, making it the perfect addition to your cold and flu arsenal. Mix a tablespoon of honey into a cup of warm water or herbal tea. This will help ease a cough, soothe your throat, and provide temporary relief from congestion. Now let's discuss the magic of garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has strong antimicrobial properties. It can help fight off bacteria, viruses, and even fungi. To reap the benefits of garlic, simply crush or mince a few cloves and let them sit for 10 minutes to release the beneficial compounds. Then you can mix it with honey and consume it directly or add it to your meals. Garlic can help reduce the severity and duration of cold and flu symptoms due to its immune-boosting qualities. Moving on to our next natural remedy: Echinacea. Echinacea is a popular herb known for its immune-boosting properties. It stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. You can find Echinacea supplements or drink Echinacea tea. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using any herbal supplements. Lastly, let's not forget the power of hydration. Drinking plenty of fluids, especially warm water, helps keep your respiratory system hydrated and aids in the thinning of mucus, making it easier to expel. Additionally, warm soup and herbal teas are not only hydrating but also provide comfort and relief from cold and flu symptoms. And there you have it, some incredible natural remedies to combat the common cold and flu. From ginger and honey to garlic and echinacea, these natural ingredients can help ease your symptoms and boost your immune system. Remember to stay hydrated and drink warm fluids, but most importantly, don't forget to rest and take care of yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you know who might benefit from these natural remedies. Subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Stay healthy, stay happy.